Back. Back. Good job. Ready?
You should have just made him keep going.
Good job.
Nice
Well, we got to start out with a good one. Keep filming. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Now back up again. Back up. Back. Keep going. Back. Don't pay attention to Mom. Keep going. Back. Back up. Back. Go big. We'll go big time. Big time. Keep going. Big time. Here we go. Big time. Up. Nice job!
Air dog!
Good job, buddy. Yeah. Good boy. Hi, Bridgie. Good job. Ready to do it again? Okay, back way up. Get moving. Get moving. Back up. We'll go big time. Big time. Back up. Back. 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 You're not going to run into Mom. Keep going. Back. All right, here we go. Set. Get set. Up. Oh.
Just barely missed it.
Good boy. Good job. Good job. That's my boy. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Oh. Back up. Back up. Move, Mom. Get over to the side. I'm going to do a slide in there. Back up. Back up. All right, here we go. Up. Oh! God, that would have been good. You snagged that one. I'm going to try getting him to do an Air Jordan, okay? An Air Brutus. All right, it's Air Brutus time. Air Brutus time. Get your breath. Get your breath. Go ahead and back up there. We're going to do an Air Brutus. Air Brutus means I throw it ahead of you, remember? Get it. Come on, you'll do an Air Brutus. Pick a different ball. Pick a different ball. No? That ball may have been easier to catch. Is that the broken ball? Have Mom check it. Back up. Air Brutus. Go see if that ball's the cracked ball or you catch it better.
You like that ball better? Huh? This one's not cracked.
Okay. Let him pick which one you want.
Yep, that's the cracked ball. Which one are you going to pick? Got it?
Okay. Put it down. Back up. Back up.
I think he's getting suckered.
I think he's wore out now.